Dr. Larry Johnston, an Arizona-based chiropractic physician, is an authority on the role of nutrition and natural supplements in maintaining good health. Dr. Johnston speaks at seminars across the country. Today, he is speaking to us on the health-damaging properties of free radicals, the role of antioxidants, and why he tells his patients to use Kаяni Sun products.
As a doctor of chiropractic, I'm always looking for exceptionally good products to help myself and my patients. I'm excited about the health benefits of the Kаяni Sun products. I feel they are great tools for both protecting and restoring our health. Kаяni Sunrise and Sunset are both powerful antioxidants that can protect us from damages from free radicals that we are exposed to daily. I want all my patients to know what free radicals are, how they damage our bodies, and what antioxidants can do to protect us. Free radicals are highly reactive molecules that can do severe damage to healthy tissues in our bodies because they're missing an electron, which leaves them with an imbalanced electrical charge. To satisfy this imbalance, they will steal an electron from healthy tissues, causing a chain reaction of electron theft that does tremendous damage, which can eventually lead to inflammation and disease. This is like a person walking through your neighborhood who wants a brick very badly. So they take a hammer and chisel and remove one from your house. This would be a free radical hit on your house. How many bricks could your house lose before it prematurely crumbles? In our bodies, if a free radical steals too many electrons from a cartilage tissue, it creates inflammation, pain, and disease we call arthritis. If it damages both a fat circulating in the blood and the blood vessel wall, this can cause the fat to stick to the damaged artery so that they can share an electron, which can eventually create blockages, which we call heart attacks. Or if it happens in the brain, we call it a stroke. If the DNA of a cell is damaged too much, when the cell divides, it can cause mutations that can result in tumor growth and increase the risk of most major cancers. You can protect your houses from brick thieves by putting a pile of bricks in your front yard with a sign that reads, "Free bricks, take one." This makes it much simpler to just slip one off the pile than to take an hour and chisel one from your house. Like the pile of extra bricks, antioxidants are substances that have extra electrons that they give up freely without becoming unstable themselves. This ability to donate electrons not only stops the chain reaction of free radical damage, but also restores the electrical balance to already damaged cells by giving them back their stolen electrons, which helps them rejuvenate and heal. Like the pile of extra bricks that protects your house, consuming a lot of antioxidants is like putting piles of little teeny tiny bricks in front of every cell of your body to protect them from free radical damage. Free radicals are like bills. We can't avoid them, so we must make sure our income is higher than the bills. We all know where to buy bricks to protect our houses, but where can we get these extra antioxidants to protect our bodies? We get them from our diet. We need a lot of vegetables and fruits, especially those high in vitamin C and E and rich in omega fatty acids. Even the American Cancer Society recognizes the antioxidant protection of fruits and vegetables when they printed this poster, "Cancer, reduce your risk. These good food choices may protect you against certain cancers." All fruits and vegetables are not created equal in antioxidant power. The ORAC assay is a measure of oxygen radical absorption capacity of a food. This basically tells us how big a pile of extra bricks or extra electrons we get when we eat a certain food. Some of the highest ORAC value foods available to us are the berry family. All of the berries are good, but the blueberry tests the highest compared to the others. As high as these values are, wild berries always test much more powerful antioxidants compared to the cultivated varieties of the same berry. The Alaskan wild berry tests on an average 10 times higher in antioxidant quality. But my dilemma has always been, where do I get wild berries? The Kаяni Sunrise product is a natural organic source of antioxidant-rich berries, including the Alaskan wild berry. Kаяni Sun has targeted another weak link in the American diet with their Sunset product. Most Americans get very little omega-3 fatty acids in their diets. Because of the obesity problem in our country, we're making fats a four-letter word. We need to stay away from fried foods, hydrogenated fats, and too many saturated fats. But omega-3 and 6 fatty acids are healthy fats that help make hormones, stop depression, reduce hypertension, decrease inflammation and joint swelling, maintain healthy skin, lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which prevents both heart attacks and strokes, and they can help prevent some cancers. For lack of understanding, many people are avoiding all fats. This is as bad as throwing the baby out with the bathwater. Omega-3 and 6 fatty acids are essential fats that we cannot produce in our bodies. We must get them from regularly eating them in our diets. Omega-6s are found in grains, cereal, and margarine, which Americans eat a lot of. But we don't eat a lot of cold water fatty fish, flaxseed, and deep green vegetables that are high in omega-3s. So the average person is getting 20 times more omega-6 fatty acids than omega-3s. Because this ratio is so far off, I feel most of us need to take omega-3 fatty acid supplements to keep a better balance with the omega-6s. Kаяni Sun uses virgin Alaskan wild salmon, which is a higher source of omega-3s than farm-raised salmon. This formula also has tocotrienols, which are one of the least known of the vitamin E family. They do most of the work and get the least credit. Tocotrienols are more than 40 times as powerful of an antioxidant compared to the well-known and well-studied tocopherols. They help manage the cholesterol production of the liver and can protect the liver from drug-related side effects. Kаяni Sunset is most effective when taken just before bedtime because the liver is more active at night. Research shows that omega-3s and tocotrienols both help with lowering LDL cholesterol, lowering total cholesterol, lowering triglycerides, and increasing HDL cholesterol, which we want as high as possible. They are more effective in keeping the blood from clotting than taking an aspirin a day without the gastric bleeding side effects. I feel a well-balanced lifestyle with lots of antioxidant-rich foods and quality nutritional supplements is like having an insurance policy that can insure us against a disease in the first place. Truly, an ounce of Kаяni Sunrise and a couple of Sunset capsules are worth a pound of cure.